Hi everyone, this is Barry with Roadrunner Fitness. I'm an ACE certified personal trainer, group fitness instructor, and health coach. And today I'm going to continue our park workout series. It's a beautiful day at the park. Thanks for joining. I'm going to go ahead and start with a warm-up lap, and I encourage you to do the same. I'm going to take a lap about a half mile, quarter mile to a half mile. Here I go. All right, good warm-up lap. Now I'm ready to go. Got my blood pumping a little bit. Now I'm going to do some additional movements for a warm-up, and after I explain the movements, I'll leave a screen that you can pause with instructions for the workout, and I'll do that for each circuit. All right, so here's our warm-up circuit. We're going to do side-to-side hops, and I'm just doing quick hops. Only the feet are moving. Quick hops, 20 on each side. And then I'm going to do windmills. So I'm standing here, wide stance, arms out. I'm just touching opposite toes. Getting a twist in my chest and also warming up the hamstrings. I'm also going to do 10 each side of just opposite high kicks. So I'm just leave my hand out here and I'm kicking open. And that's stretching out my hamstrings. Finally, I'm going to do a lunge with a reach. So it's a lunge hold, arm down, reaching up, and all the way down. I'm going to switch sides. I have the opposite hand down, and I'm doing 10 on each side. All the way up, nice and slow, reaching through, reaching all the way up, and through. 10 on each side. I'll display those movements now. So here's our first circuit. I'm going to do 3 movements, which I'll go ahead and show to you now. I'm doing 8 on each side for each movement. The first one is going to be side shuffle 2 steps, and then a lunge reach. Side shuffle 2 steps, reach for the lunge. So I'm doing a side lunge and I'm reaching to that toe. Do the lunge nice and controlled, but also try to keep the pace up with the shuffles. And then I'm going to do a plank walk. So I'm here in a full plank position, and I'm just going to step with my right arm and left leg, and then left arm, right leg. And I'm walking this way. Nice and controlled, nice and slow, and then I'll walk back. So you see how you step with opposite arms and opposite leg at the same time. And then I'm going to do crab touches. So I'm holding this crab walk position on my heels and pressing through my palms, and I'm just going to plant and touch. And I'm just alternating. I'm really squeezing through the chest and keeping a tight core. 8 on each side for each movement. Let's go. All right, our next 3 movements we're going to do in a circuit now is going to be swing lunges, push-ups with a 180 switch, and reverse fly holds. So the swing lunge is just a big lunge forward, and then I'm going to push up out and step back into a back lunge. Big step forward, and then kick back, back lunge. I'm doing 8 on each side. So here, feet lunge. I want to keep my shoulders back and my chest out, core nice and tight when I do that. Next one, push up with a 180 switch. So I'm just here, push up position, push up. I'm going to roll and roll. Push up, roll and roll. Push up. I'm going to do 8 on each side. If 16 push-ups gets to be a bit much, then just go ahead and do the switch without the push-up, but really push through your chest as you do that. Finally, last movement of this circuit is going to be, I'm going to hip hinge and I'm going to squeeze those shoulder blades together here. So it's a reverse fly, squeeze, no weight here. So I'm going to really just focus on squeezing those shoulder blades together, and I'm going to do 16 there. Let's get started. Great job on the circuits, everybody. We're gonna finish up with this last movement, a very dynamic movement. We're gonna do broad jump to burpees. I'm gonna do 6 of those for 4 rounds. So I'm just starting here. I'm gonna load back into my heels, get my hips back, arms are back, and jump, and then into a burpee. You'll see when I land that I kind of bend into these knees and lean forward to prevent too much impact. Okay? Broad jump, burpee. Got it? Broad jump, burpee. So I'm doing 6 of those for 4 rounds. Let's get started. All right, great job with these circuits. Make sure to take time for a cool down. You want to be sure to stretch your hamstrings, your quads, glutes, hip flexors, and chest pretty much after every workout, okay? Great job on the workout, everyone. If you like that, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channels so that you can catch workouts as they come out. Also, you can follow our Facebook page, Roadrunner Fitness, as well as Instagram. And be sure to visit our